My passion was all about the engineering and creative outlets, continuous improvement, working with people on those projects and ideas. That was my real passion. You need to know what the process is and how that product is made, the equipment that's used, the maintenance that's done on it, so that when you do your R&D or you make your sales pitch for your new product to go into that process, you not only understand what it's going to do in that particular part of the process, but you understand what's upstream coming down that's going to affect it, and what effects your change is going to have downstream. Start to realize project after project that it's more than just that little window that you're looking at, and you really need to open up your view to the larger system. If we take a bigger view and take a step back and we look at all these other places that this change is going to impact, when we roll all those things together, now all of a sudden we do have a good business case to make this change. Consistently, without fail, companies with good culture, good leadership, that have an inclusive and inquisitive leadership style, bringing all their people in, having an open environment where everyone throughout the corporation, all up and down the chain of command, can give input openly. Those are the companies that are the most successful. The biggest thing for me is just listening and genuinely caring about people. All the changes that we make, they usually make the job safer, they make it easier. And when they see you caring about that and caring about them, their day, what it's like, and making improvements to it, people will move mountains if they see that you really genuinely care.
Tune in to hear more at leanfrontline.com.